Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today's a little extra pixie dust. We're whipping up a cocktail that comes from Lombard's seafood restaurant in Universal Studios. It is the Apple Cider Irish Mule. To start, I have some ice in my shaker. I'm going to add to that some apple cider, some Jameson Irish Whisky, and I'm going to throw a top on this and give it a quick little shake to get everything nice and cold. Definitely nice and chilly. Now we're going to pour this in here. We're going to leave a little bit of room because we're going to top this off with some ginger beer. And then to garnish, I have a slice of a green apple that actually comes from my wonderful neighbor's apple tree that she picks every year and brings me some. And I have a cinnamon stick. And there you have it, the Apple Cider Irish Mule. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.